Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about the importance of thumbnails in your Facebook video ads. Before we jump into it, you know what to do, right? Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Alright, now let's talk about the importance of thumbnails in your Facebook video ads. And I want to show you guys something. So here I am logged into one of the ad accounts that I manage, and here are two campaigns. These are video ads, very similar, even though they are different videos, but very similar, the length, what we're seeing in the video. But there's a one major difference. Well, first of all, when you look at the numbers, so this ad right here at the bottom, for this ad, we got our cost per click was 38 cents right here. Look at this. For the second ad, it's for the same business, same page, very similar campaign. The cost per click was higher. Look at this, 69 cents. So that's 30 cents more, almost, so 40 cents and 70 cents. Yeah, so that's like 30 cents more. That's a lot more. And we got a lot less click and compared to this ad. Now, why? So when I looked at the campaign, and I've actually noticed something similar last year, and I believe I created a video on my YouTube channel. You may have seen that video. But when you look at these two campaigns, and even though they're very similar, let me make it bigger. Let's see. Let me resize this so you can actually see right here. So look at this. So this campaign, or this ad right here, which worked really well for us, the thumbnail that we selected, so look at the thumbnail. So this campaign is for a local business. So the thumbnail we selected was the image of that, or the picture of that local business from the outside. And you can, I know it's really hard to see, there's a logo and people can actually see it's that business from that street corner. Now, we're targeting local people in that zip code, and then the radius, 5-mile radius around the business. Guess what? When they see something like this, a thumbnail like that in their newsfeed, they're likely to recognize that business, right? Compared to look at the second campaign, right? So the thumbnail we're using right here, so we're using the thumbnail of the image of the product that's inside that video. So that's the difference. In the first video, the thumbnail was the picture of that local business from outside. And in the second video, the thumbnail is the actual product that's being advertised with some text on it. So I've seen the same thing before for another business that we manage, another local business client. So really interesting that when you have a video ad campaign on Facebook, the image that you select can make or break your ad campaign. So you want to think twice, you want to have the right strategy to pick the right image. And obviously for a local business, maybe you can test something like this, right? So for a local business, since you have a physical location, so people who live close by, people who drive by, they may recognize your brand, your logo, your building from the outside. So maybe you can leverage an image like that in your campaigns, and not just the video campaigns, also your image campaigns, any creative that represents, that makes it easy for people to recognize your business, local business. I think that can help. So obviously our next step is to really update this ad campaign and use a similar or same image to see if we can bring the cost per click down. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions related to Facebook ads, Facebook video ads, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.